Okay. Now, I'm going to highlight one thing. If you've come to a lot of my webinars before, you've seen this diagram. I just want to stress this model does not work if you try to put more than one software application into a single Git repository. You will be fighting with all the tooling. Make sure you only have one software application in the Git repository. And in .NET, that means one Visual Studio solution where everything in it is built together, kind of tested together, and then deployed in one event. Okay. Now, if you carved out some microservices, well, you've already created separate Git repositories and separate Visual Studio solutions, and you're going to have multiple pipelines, one for each Git repository. But don't try to take like one offline job that's one Visual Studio project in the solution and have a pipeline for just that. The tools are going to work against you. Yes, you can brute force anything with enough PowerShell. I get it, but you're not going to have a good time of it. It's not going to be easy. It's not going to fall into place like it should. But if you orchestrate everything in one Git repository as one logical application from an architecture perspective, then you have a pipeline that operates on all of it. You're going to be good. And when I say one application, it's very normal for an application to have a website, a SQL Server database, a couple offline jobs, maybe another web application that just has some web service APIs. I mean, a number of running processes, but from an architecture perspective, they are deployed components of the overall software application.